Hello guys! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change logo in your WordPress website. So without further ado, let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and then click on Appearance. Then click on Customize. And then you will see at the left corner of the screen, click on Site Identity. And then you'll see right here the logo. You can then upload an image from your media library. You must select the best looking logo that you have, for it represents your WordPress website. You can also crop it if you want. And that's it! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.